Hello and welcome everyone, MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Ford Focus and how to change the engine oil. As far as all the parts, tools, and the fluid that I use, I will have it all linked down below in the description box. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is open up the hood and remove your engine oil dipstick. I'm going to be removing all the oil with my oil extractor pump. I'm going to insert the right tubing all the way down the dipstick channel. And then I'm going to give my extractor about 7 to 8 pumps and let all the fluid pump out. You should get about 4.5 quarts out of this engine. Once all the oil is out, I'm going to go underneath the vehicle. You have no need to jack it up because the engine oil filter is right in front. And to loosen it, I'm going to use this oil filter wrench and spin it out. But make sure you have something underneath because there is going to be some oil that's going to seep out from there. With the old oil filter out, I'm going to reinstall the new one. It just spins right into place. And now the last step is to add the new engine oil. I'm going to be adding 4.5 quarts of full synthetic oil. And again, I'll have everything linked down below in the description box. And that's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like always, I would really appreciate you guys hitting the like and subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.